Well guys, today I'm going to be working on my Polaris RMK 800. So this thing came with twin pipes, and I'm going on what my buddies are telling me. They said it would run a lot better with a single pipe. So my buddy gave me this single pipe. I ordered this exhaust manifold. I got all the gaskets, and we're going to put that on. Plus I have a stripped out exhaust valve bolt, and I'm going to use one of these new heli-coils and try to fix that. So that ought to be interesting. So I'll either fix it or I'll really mess it up worse than what it is. Alright, I won't bore you too much here. Well, I think the first step is to take this these two pipes off, and then we just need to make sure this one's actually going to fit and work. Well, I tell you, something I'm excited about is this. I just got these. I've been dragging these sleds around, and oh my god, my poor back. So I finally spent some money and bought these. Now it just rolls around nice and easy. There we go. Well, now that I got that exhaust out of the way, this is the bolt that's stripped on my exhaust valves. So we're gonna fix that with one of these heli-coils right there. It kind of looks like it'll fit. So let's go ahead and start working towards putting that in. Alright, so now I'm going to take off what's on the manifold here. It's set up for the dual pipe, so I'm going to take these off so I can put the white pipe on that I ordered. I had Loctite on it, and there we go. There's one. Take off the other one and clean that up for the new gasket. Alright, so now it's time to take this 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out this boat hole. Alright, so now we have to use this new thread bit here and install some new threads. Alright, so next we take the actual insert . So now we just turn this. Alright, so let's use some compressed air, see if we can get that out. Pretty sure it came out. I felt something come out. Alright, so now's the moment of truth. New gasket. Here's the other bolt. Alright, so now that we got the bolt fixed and we got the new Y pipe on, let's see if we can get this single pipe mounted and installed. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's put some springs on. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to take this all off because the weld is messed up right here. It's a giant fail. Spent all that money for nothing. Now I gotta put the old one back on. Rats.